Hi guys, today I want to share with you guys a delicious and easy to make recipe, one of my favorites, which is crab and avocado fresh spring rolls. Now this recipe is inspired by Vietnamese spring rolls, but I'm using different types of ingredients, and instead of making the dip separately, I'm actually going to sort of marinate my crab meat with the dip itself. So it's sort of like a self-saucing fresh spring rolls. Super duper easy to make and absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to start by introducing the ingredients. Over here I've got the star of the show, which is my beautiful fresh avocados from Australia. Australian avocados are an excellent source of nutrition and health booster. A single serving can provide you with healthy fats, fiber, folate, niacin, vitamin C, B, E, and K, potassium, and antioxidant. They're versatile and pairs well with Asian culinary flavors, which is perfect because they're available year-round here in Malaysia. And I've also got this pasteurized crab meat. And here are the ingredients for my marinade. I've got bunga kantan or torch ginger that's been chopped. I've got some spring onions that's been chopped. Red chili that's been chopped. You can also add some bird's eye chili if you like it a little bit more spicy. I've got here some lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves that's also been chopped. Some chopped garlic, chopped coriander, 1 key lime that's been juiced. I've got here a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil and a teaspoon of fish sauce. I'm using a tablespoon of brown sugar, some salt, and a little bit of warm water. And for the filling, I'm also using sliced red onion, some coriander leaves, and some fresh cabbage. I actually like using red cabbage for the color, but I couldn't find any, so I'm just using regular cabbage. You can also add other vegetables that you like. You can add bean sprout, you can add carrots, you can add cucumber. It's completely up to you. Now I'm gonna start by doing the marinade for the crab. Okay, first I'm gonna add my lime juice, toasted sesame oil, fish sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, just a touch of salt, not too much because the fish sauce is quite salty. A little bit of water, warm water, to just dilute, to help dilute the sugar. And give that a good mix. And now I'm gonna add the fresh herbs. I've got here the torch ginger, bunga kantan, my chili, garlic. I'm using 1 clove of garlic, my kaffir lime leaf and my lemongrass, coriander, spring onion. And I'm gonna throw my crab in. Just gonna give that a toss. So I'm just gonna break my crab meat into smaller little pieces. So after you're done with this, you want to keep it in the fridge for about half an hour so all the flavors can come together. Alright, look at how beautiful this is. Alright, I'm going to keep it in the fridge and I'm going to assemble my spring rolls in half an hour. It's been half an hour and now I'm ready to assemble my spring rolls. My crab filling smells so good and everything's come together. It tastes absolutely amazing. Look at that, look at all that beautiful color. Now, if you're not a fan of crab, you can also try this recipe with prawns or chicken. It's really, really good. I'm gonna start by preparing my spring roll skin. Super easy. Here I've got warm water. You don't want to use hot water because it's going to get soft really, really quickly. And don't worry if it still is a bit hard after dipping it in the warm water, because you want it like that. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds for the skin to be soft, but you want it kind of plasticky like this before you put it on your chopping board. Now I'm going to start with some coriander leaves, just so that to give that nice design. Just one or two, because we have some coriander in the filling. It's in the crab filling already, so this is more for decoration. And you can decorate it with whatever you like. You can use edible flowers, other favorite herbs. And now I'm gonna put some sliced avocados. I love Australian avocados so much because they're so rich and creamy, and it's the perfect ingredient to add into my spring rolls. And put some of the crab filling. I'm gonna be generous with this. So you kind of want it to be level, because if not, you're gonna have like one funky shaped spring rolls, and you don't really want that. Put some fresh sliced onions. I'm using red onion. I'm just gonna break that. Okay, put it there. And some cabbage. And as I mentioned, you can add any vegetables you like. It's completely up to you. Alright, so we're gonna roll it. Pick the bottom up first, and then the sides, and just gently roll it. Now I'm using a rice paper, but you can also find tapioca paper. Okay, so this is what my spring roll looks like. I'm going to continue making the rest of the spring rolls. I'm going to slice it up and show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So here's my fresh spring rolls with crab and avocado. I hope you guys will try this recipe, and when you do, share your pictures and videos with me. Jemput makan, guys!